Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. This is another unboxing for you, a bit of a marathon unboxing filming session today. And today's box is Awebox. May's Awebox is finally here. Took a little bit longer than usual to arrive, but never mind, better late than never. This is a UK only monthly subscription box, and you get to choose the amount of items that you get in the box. It's a little bit different to other subscription boxes because you also get to choose the categories that you would like to receive your products from. So this month I chose women's beauty, men's grooming, sweet treats and candy, and candles and home fragrance. They also do lots of other things. They do alcohol related ones, they do cat treats, dog treats, lots and lots. I think there's about 20 different categories that you can choose from. This is the smallest box that they do, and it's £20 a month plus £4 postage and packaging. Of course, I will link their website down below, so if you fancy having a look and checking it out, please do follow those links. So let's just open her up and see what I've got this month. If I can find the tag, there we go. It's always quite a good size box, and it's normally quite heavy, which this month is the same. We do get a little card because obviously the boxes are kind of personalised because not everybody's going to choose the same categories. You don't particularly get a leaflet with all the RRP values and everything on, but what I will do is I will try and find everything in post-production, and then underneath each item I'll pop the RRP value underneath and then give you a total at the end if I can. So first things first, what have we got here? We have a pack of black pepper flavour roasted chickpeas. Ooh, and it's by a company called Cheeky Peas. There we go. Alright, these are vegan, high in protein, high in fibre, suitable for vegetarians and vegans, and they're also gluten-free. Ooh, okay. Let's have a little, ooh, okay, so that's what they look like inside. Let's give one a go and see what we think. Oh, they're really nice. They remind me of, oh yeah, if anybody remembers Bombay Mix from when you were at school or a teenager, there was there must have been little roasted chickpeas in there, because they remind me of those. That's a really nice little snack. I like those. Awesome. Item number one. Item number two. Ooh. Now then, this is by the brand Hawkins and Brimble, and we got a body wash by these last month in the same scent as well, elemi and ginseng, but this is a facial scrub, and it even says on it with natural ingredients for sensitive skin. This is a 125ml tube or bottle. Here we go. I'm going to show you the outer packaging. There we go. And let's have a look. It's a tube. Wow. Look at that. There we go. That's it. Oh, that smells divine. That smells gorgeous. Oh, that's great. I love the fact it's for sensitive skin as well. That is amazing. Now, I do know this is actually from the men's range, because it does say on the back for the modern man. However, I'm going to be using it myself. But that's absolutely great. I really, really love that. And great that it's the same brand as we got the body wash with. Now the body wash is ready and waiting up in the bathroom. This will go at the side of it, and when I need to open a new facial scrub, there we go. Awesome. So that is item number two. There we go. Item number three. Oh, it's Dr. Botanicals. Wow. Excellent. And then not. Okay, you're going to see in a minute. I'm going to show you it because it's the Dr. Botanicals range and it's the Moroccan Rose Nourishing Hand Cream. It's a 50ml tube. Absolutely gorgeous outside packaging. There we go. And let's have a look inside. It does say this is vegan friendly, which is awesome. Oh, look. I mean, that is so, so cute. There we go. Whoops, that way around. There's your inside packaging. Now then, I don't like rose scents. I really, really don't. It is sealed, which is great. That's amazing. That's fantastic. Yeah, I really don't like anything that's rose scented. It's just not for me, unfortunately. So this looks again like it's a full-size product. Absolutely stunning, but I think that might just have to be gifted to my mother-in-law or put in a giveaway or something. I will not be keeping and trying this product. I do know that the Dr. Botanicals, the rose scent that's in those products is quite a hefty rose scent. So yeah, but nice to have a hand cream in there, particularly at the moment, because I don't know about you, but mine are suffering a wee bit. So that's item number 3. And what else have we got? Ooh. Sorry. Item number 4. Oh my goodness. This looks divine. This is an absolutely stunning box of Cotswold. It's the Cotswold Company, or Cotswold Fudge Company. And it's caramel, chocolate and sea salt. Look at that. Isn't that just stunning? Absolutely stunning packaging. I mean, you could buy that and gift that away, no problem whatsoever. Does it tell me it's 250 grams? And we're gonna have to try it, aren't we? Let's see if I can undo it. Ooh, oh look, there we go, it's all sealed. So I'm gonna take the packet out. And we might as well try a wee bit, haven't we? Ooh. Oh. Mmm. It's that fudge that, it's like a handmade fudge. So it's like, feels granulated and a bit dry, but it's not the soft squidgy fudge. That's what I mean. It's quite a hard fudge. Oh, flavours are divine. You get the chocolate first, and now I'm getting the sea salt and the caramel. Oh, yeah. Those are mine. Definitely not sharing those with anybody. They're gonna get hidden. That is lovely. Oh, and quite rich as well. I tell you what, you only need a couple of pieces of that if you're getting those sweet cravings. Excellent, like that. So that is item number 4. Item number 5, here we go. This is my candle this month, and this is by the make Shearer candles, and it's a tin, which they often tend to be, which I love personally. And this is cocoa and sandalwood. Here we go. That's the tin there. It is, well, it says it's got approximately 40 hours of burn time. I don't know how big it is, but, oh my word. Oh, that is amazing. You get the cocoa, but then you do get that sandalwood underneath. Oh my. Oh, I'm going to be excited to get this lit. Oh, Oh yeah, that is really, really yummy. And as I'm sure you're aware, things like this, this sort of size tin, they're usually worth about £8. So that's really, really good. So let's just have a little bit of a recap. So we have our fantastic fudge, awesome. We have our candle, there we go. We've got our little roasted chickpea snacks. We have the facial scrub, and we have the hand cream. Now then, obviously I don't know, whoops, nearly dropped it all. I don't know any of the RRP values and the total value of the box. So at the moment I can't say whether or not I think it's a good value box. I like the products that we've got in there. Yes, the hand cream in that rose scent, that's not, you know, not for me, but fair enough, you know, at least there's only one rose product in there. I love everything else though, absolutely love everything else. I have decided that this is going to be my last Awebox though, because it is £24, so it is the most expensive box that I do, and I am looking at getting into some different subscription boxes. And unfortunately, although I wish I could afford to keep all my subscription boxes on, I'm afraid I just can't. So I have now cancelled this subscription in order to be able to get another new box in a few months. However, you know, you never know what might happen. I might go back and get this again in the future, because I do find it has been a nice box to receive, and I like the fact that you can choose the categories and you can change those categories every month as well. So yeah, it has been a really, really nice box, and I'm pleased to have done it. Anyway, that's my thoughts and feelings on the May Awebox. Please let me know yours down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching as always, everybody. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks, I do a live stream on a Friday evening, 8 PM GMT. We just have a general chit chat in there. So if you are able to, please join us for that. And if you would like to continue joining me on my YouTube journey, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button, either the red one down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. Make sure your notification bell is turned on to all. That way YouTube will let you know every time I drop a video, which is about 3 or 4 times a week. And I think that's everything for today. I'm going to go and make a cuppa and maybe have another cube of that fudge. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!